Hello and welcome to Aruna's kitchen. Today I am going to make masala puri, kadak puri. Some people say namkeen. So we are going to make puri. For puri I have took whole wheat flour. It's about 1 cup. I am going to put oil about 2 to 3 teaspoon. 3 teaspoon oil. About half a teaspoon salt, some turmeric, red pepper, and half a teaspoon ajwain. Some people say wild celery seeds, half a teaspoon sesame seeds, and little bit half a teaspoon cumin seeds. I will blend it all together and put it in. And mix it all together, and then we will make a dough. Dough will be just like puri we make. I have water. Now that my dough is ready, I'm going to make small pieces like this. Make it thin and poke some hole so it shouldn't get popped. And this puri we are making will be will not pop, so it will be, you can keep it outside for 15 days. As a snack you can eat it. Then meanwhile I already have put the oil on stove. So when the oil is ready, I will fry. Okay, now let's see whether my oil is ready or not. So for that I have put the little bit piece of dough, and yes, my oil is ready. I have put on medium high. So now I'm going to fry my puri. this is how you fry on medium heat. And light brownish color it will come. And this puri will stay in your container for at least 15 days, and you can eat with tea and enjoy. That's how we fry all the puris. This is how we fry puris. See? Nicely done. Thank you for watching my videos and enjoy Aruna's Vegetarian Kitchen.